Lastly, the big thing that you're going to want to think about is protecting the color of your hair inside of your hair system. The best way to do this is to make sure that you're not shampooing your hair too often, you're using a color depositing conditioner, and you're not exposing your hair system directly to the sun all the time. Now, the goal is not, of course, to never expose your hair system to the sun and live with a hat on, but keep it in mind that if you are going outside in the sun, hanging out at the beach every single day, all day long, it is going to bleach the color of your hair system, which will ultimately make your hair look a different color than your hair system. And that is not something, generally speaking, that is desirable, as it will disrupt the realism of a hair system that it provides. Now, other environments and other chemicals can also augment and damage the hair system. For example, chlorine is a very, very drying chemical that is found in pools and swimming pools that can shorten the duration and health of your hair system. That being said, the goal is not for you to never do these things again or to change your lifestyle, but you need to augment your lifestyle so that way they perfectly align. There's always a creative solution, and there's always something to help you on your journey. However, you must think about these things if you want to get the most time out of your hair system.